People face different sort of problems whenever it comes to getting a new iPhone or purchasing a second-hand or used device. It causes different sort of problem. It can be iCloud lock, and you need to activate that, and that is a very big hectic. Well, here are the solution. In this video, I'm gonna share a tool that can solve all of your problems. It will allow you to, unlock iCloud. Not only that, it can be used to unlock the screen and more stuff. Well, without any further delay, let's jump into this video. Let's get to my desktop and let me introduce you this software. Okay, so this is the software. This is Wondershare Dr.Fone, and it is actually doctor for your device, and as it solves every other problem. And with the screen unlocked to the iCloud activation, everything is available. This is how the website looks like. And from here, you are going to download the software. When you tap on it, and in a minute, it will start downloading. As you can see, just save it. And once it's saved, from here, you need to install. And it's already ready to go. It's already ready to install. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the UI of the software. As you can see, quite simple. Over here, there is like photos, music, and all stuff available that is in your device. Over here, some tools are available like iCloud activation lock removal. Then some other, as you can see, you can also use it for unlock iOS screen, toolbox, remove Google FRP lock, and more stuff going on. You can connect your device using wire, like using USB cable, or you can do wireless connection if you want that. But I prefer wire connection, so I'm gonna do that. So over here, I'm gonna connect my device. As you can see, I'm gonna connect it through USB cable, whatever cable you are using. Make sure to connect it perfectly. As you can see, it is connecting to my device, and now my device is connected. Everything is over here that is on my device, obviously. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the toolbox again. Okay, so now I am on my toolbox page. As you can see, there are tons of tools available. There's a screen unlock. I will get into this over here. I will choose iOS as my device is iOS. Now different options available, which one I want to try. And as you can see, I want to go for the iCloud activation lock removal. You have more options like unlock iOS screen, remove Apple ID, and more stuff over here, as you can see. But I'm going to try this one. So I will get into this one, and I will go from here to start. And now it is again connecting to my device. Now over here, as you can see, it shows the model number, everything, IMEI, and if it is jailbroken or not, everything is over here. And from this unlock button, I can do unlock now. And after bypassing iCloud activation lock, you get access to iOS device again. Enjoy all iOS services. And by tapping on this button, it will unlock your device. And this is really cool. There are more stuff in this with this software. So there are even more features. For example, screen unlock. If I get again into this one and choose again iOS, I have unlock iOS screen option available. And as you can see, Dr.Fone will remove all types of lock screen from iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, like no matter what. It's a 4-digit code or a 6-digit code, Touch ID, Face ID, whatever. This can remove that iOS lock screen. So I'm going to have to start from here. Now it guides you that you have to take your device into the recovery mode if it is your iPhone 8 or above. This is the method. This is the method for the 7 and 7 Plus. And this is the method is for the 6 and 6. And the earlier devices. So I'm going to try this one over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to need to hold the power button and the volume down button. So let's see how this is going to turn around. Now, as you can see, I am into recovery mode. This is my device. This is the iOS version. And from here, I can start it. And now it is doing that thing. And now it is going to take a small tiny backup. And it's going to remove the lock screen, which is insane. So this way you can perform a lot of stuff on your device using Dr.Fone. Again, links are given in the description, and make sure to try out this software. Well, that's it. Just one press and you are good to go. And also it does everything very quickly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Again, all the links are given in the description, so make sure to check out the description and go to drfone.com and try out their product and let me know how you feel about this.